My name is John Knotes, Global Solution Manager for Mining. Today we are at QKR Namibia and looking at the oldest active gold mine in Namibia. After 10 years of introducing sensor-based sorting for X-rays at the mine, it's time to introduce our latest STEINERT KSS EVO 6 machine. The feed material comes from low-grade stockpiles. QKR pre-concentrate these low-grade stockpiles to upgrade their feed grade. After crushing and screening, this material gets fed to the STEINERT KSS ore sorter, which then enriches the material by removing waste material that is unmineralized. By applying this step, the customer has a mass concentrate of 25 to 30%. This means 75 to 70% of material can get sent to rejects and waste, which means they do not have to process it through the processing plant.
The philosophy of our company is actually to try and run as low an operating cost as possible. Because if you can achieve that, it doesn't really matter how the market fluctuates or whatever, you stay in operation. We just say, listen, let's only do projects that lower our operating costs. In my case, there was periods where I then said to our seniors, listen, we are losing 40% of our product. For us as Navachab, for instance, the big problem was we had no water. And so if we wanted to increase production, we had to find a technique that can work without water. I think the magic of sorting is in those computer programs. Let's add the next layer of technology onto the machine. And it actually gave us a slight increase in recovery as well, in recovery of gold. But the crux of the matter is being able to interpret the data like you do so well.
QKR Namibia decided to do comparative pilot test work to figure out what provides the best recoveries and upgrades for them. It was decided during the test work that a multi-sensor system provided a better recovery and a better upgrade. And the reason is that you get more precise digital information and the data can help a better and more accurate sort. Therefore, the customer decided to use a combination of X-ray sort system and a laser system. The EVO 6 now provides an X-ray safe area where you can train the belt while in production. Focusing on ease of access, maintainability and safety, the EVO 6 provides a maintenance platform to make this an easy task. So with the maintenance platform in place, it allows you to access the machine for inspections, the valve bank and also the belt of the machine, and you can also do inspections underneath. In the next mode, the valve bank can be moved outwards and you can access without any interference the machine and as well maintain a valve bank from the backside. Sensor-based sorting requires per particle analysis. Considering that we treat more than 1,000 particles per second through a sorter, it is unavoidable that we will form clusters in the sorting system. STEINERT has developed intelligent declustering to address this. This will help to classify rocks individually. When classified rocks individually, it helps with purity of sort and to increase capacities.
Out of the feedstocks, we actually treat low-grade material and we upgrade it such that it can be profitably treated in the rest of our process. And so for us, we get a doubling in grade, which is fantastic.